Would you like to achieve 98% efficiency in oil heat exchanging equipment? Hi, I'm Chandrakant Tiwari from Evergreen Solutions. Recently, for one of the largest power plants in India, employing over 5,000 people and with a sales turnover of over 15,000 crores, we implemented a system whereby their entire heat exchangers in the factories and in the mines were treated in an ultrasonic tank, thereby removing over 98% contamination and bringing back the efficiency. Now, this was done by using two different chemicals, one being slightly acidic and the other being slightly alkaline. Of course, a process of passivation was done later. Now, if you know someone who could be benefited by achieving these kind of efficiencies, I would suggest you tag them in this video so that they can also take advantage of such powerful cleaning systems. See you in the next video.